Alrighty, this is a quick video from Atomic Defense on how to operate the Jerry-31s and some other night vision in general. You're going to first open up and put the battery inside. Make sure you're going the right direction. One quick fun fact on these batteries, make sure that you have fully charged new ones. Sometimes, even if you're buying night vision that comes with the battery included, you're going to have sometimes where the battery is just older and it won't turn on. So do buy a new pack of batteries if you encounter any issues. But we do pre-test everything just to make sure that it's going to work when it gets to you. Now, you'll look through and you can see these. And that is powered on, and that is powered off. Now, you'll also notice on the front, we have the little aperture here, just that little pinhole. And you're still able, when powered on, to see through without a problem. So something to think about, and I would recommend keeping these like this. If you also pop them off, you'll notice that, and you can't really tell at this distance, but your focus changes. So it's going to be more picky, but you'll have a wider field of view depending on how you do it, whether this is off or on. Other than that, the operation of the Jerry-31 specifically and most other ones, you'll have your IR on board. On both these sizes where it has its own, and for the Jerry-31 specifically, if you hold and push in, that will turn on a little red light on the inside of them. Let's see if it will appear. And what that is doing is it's turning on the light, the onboard IR in the front here. And that's all. Nice, simple, and sweet. Once you take them and you put them up, you'll notice that the lenses power off. Once they are flipped upwards, looking down like this, you can see that they're still remaining on. And that's it for the Jerry-31.